It's time for the Easter mystery box. In this one, you're going to get 2 rolls of premium permanent vinyl, one in white and one in black. A multi-pen set with 5 gold pens with different tips, 0.8, 1.0, and 2 of them at 2 point and 1 at 2.5. They're calligraphy pens to use in your Cricut. 2 rolls of holographic sparkle vinyl, gold and fuchsia. Look at all the sparkle. 2 silver, beautiful sparkle vinyl. Look at all that bling. I love this stuff. And last but not least, iron-on, pattern iron-on. These are so much fun to make for bags. You can put them on canvas shoes, your shirts, your jeans, anything. So much fun. The new Strong Bond, it's guaranteed. Make sure you use my link in the description below. I do get a small commission from that, but it doesn't cost you anything extra. And I have a code, MELODY, MELODY. You can use that if you get your total up to $50, and then you get free shipping and 10% off. And if you have Cricut Access, you get another 10% off. So it's less than $29.99. All right, guys, I love you, and I will see you in the next Cricut Design Space class. Bye.